Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for Tuesday, April 8th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. And by we, I mean the price of Bitcoin, still hanging out where we basically were yesterday. But before we get into those charts and such, go ahead and give me a like. Did you do it? Thank you so much. As a thank you, here are some cute little baby otters playing with each other. So cute. All right, let's dive into these charts then, huh? Turn this music down a bit. And yeah, let's take a look-see. So we were looking at this head and shoulders or inverted head and shoulders pattern yesterday. However, it didn't play out. It didn't play out quite as it should have. Bitcoin came up, found resistance at the 50 moving average here on the 90-minute chart, which is pretty much the 200 moving average here on the 22-minute chart. And you'll notice that we've come up to that 200, knocked on it, and got rejected twice. Makes me sad. Yeah. Back to the 90. Oh, let's make this bigger so y'all can see if you're watching on a small screen. But yeah, we can get rid of this. We'll leave it here for now. Maybe it'll still get up there, but it won't really be the head and shoulders at that point. I mean, it could be. It just could be like a real wonky shoulder line, you know? Like the shoulder line could be going like this, and this is actually a complex head and shoulders. Could be. What do I mean by the shoulder line is wonky? Well, the shoulder line would be like this then. And then the move would come from the shoulder line roughly up to 85. Hey, let's see if that works out for us. However, we're also seeing a bear flag. I kind of didn't mention this yesterday because I was hoping for that head and shoulders to, you know, kick in and do it. If we do it this way, we've already fallen out of the bear flag. Yeah. So we're going to do it this way and hope for a bottom here. And this would be more like so. I mean, honestly, we can use the shoulder line there. Anyway, if that bear flag does play out, its measured move would be all the way. Whoopsie doopsies. Back. Click. Its measured move would be all the way down at $70,500. It's a possibility, man. It's like right on the table for us. We're under the 200 here on the 90. I'm going to change this to white to match the or gray. No, that's not the right gray. This one? Maybe one more. Like that. There you go. Hopefully we can see that head and shoulders pattern, you know, play out and bring us over the 200. But this is some major hopium that I'm smoking. This bear flag is more likely to play out. We've bounced off the 50 moving average here twice. And yeah, I mean, it just looks like that's what's going to happen. All right, let's move. Oh, let's take a look at the Stokes real quick. The Stokes are pointing to the downside. RSI in bearish territory, under its signal line. Like, it didn't find the strength that it needed. It's slightly moved into bullish territory, but then price action just didn't find the strength that it needed to put in a higher high. So yeah, that's just where we're at. Are we under the 200 here on the 22? We are. Yeah, we bounced off of it. Remember? Yeah, Dave, I remember. Yeah. 5 minute, we're under the 200 as well. We are oversold in the Stokes department and the RSI department, so a bounce from here wouldn't be unlikely. If we can get back over that 200, or, you know, if we can get back over that 200, then there's still a chance, but At the moment, we're underneath the 200 on pretty much everything. There is a bullish div here on the 1 minute chart, but that's, you know, the 1 minute chart. So even with that bullish div, it can play out, bring it back up to the 200 here on the 1 minute, here at 90 or 79.5-ish. And then, you know, reverse back to the downside from there. We need to see a break over the 200. The 1 minute can get back over the 200, hey, then maybe the 5 minute can get back over the 200. Well, it would if the 1 minute, because they're basically at the same spot. The 22 can maybe get over the 200 there. Where's it at? It's right around 80,000. So if that, you know, if they could get going, the 5 minute can get going and stuff, then we have a chance to get back up there over the 22. If we can get over the 22, well then, hey, we got a chance to invalidate this bear flag. How do we invalidate a bear flag? Well, we take its Fibonacci retracement. Oops, wrong direction. Let's do it. This way. All right, where is the 786 on this? The 786 is here at 81. So if we can get back over that 200 on the 22 or the 50 here on the 90, then we can have a chance, you know, flipping that 786 over here at 81,000. Can get over 81,000, invalidate this bear flag, and there's a chance for the reversal. But the bear flag is here for now. Let's see if we can get a higher low here. If not, if we fall out of it, expect those low 70s. Probably stop at 72. But as soon as we get past that 77, if we flip it, you know, to resistance on the daily chart, like we've been talking about for, you know, a while, excuse me, for a while, and we lose that bell flag here, we lose the bull flag there, we lose our chance for a new all-time high, in my mind. Still could be bounces after that, but all-time highs are off the table if we lose 77 here. We're holding over it. Not well, but we're holding over it. Yesterday's candle was actually a closed as a spin top candle, which is a reversal candle. What's a spin top candle? Small body, small candle body, big wick to the upside, big wick to the downside. That is a spin top candle. And those are usually reversal patterns. So perhaps we will see this reversal back up here to, you know, like the low 80s in the next day or so. It's possible. It's very possible. We got this bullish div here on the daily. But on the short term, when we're looking at, you know, the 90 minute and such, in the 6 hour, it doesn't look good. Does not look good. And those can easily take over and drive this down, clearing out our bullish div by making this RSI come lower. If we can get lower than 31, then we've lost our bullish div. And we'd probably be under 77 at that point. So yeah, hopefully we can bounce. Otherwise, it's bear city, man. We'll go, you remember this bear flag here as well. In the 6 hour, we'll just look at it real quick. Where does it play down to? 68,907. I know they make it big. Here, we'll make it bigger. Yep, right down to that 68 support level. Yep. Things aren't good. Things aren't good. If we can see this reverse up, though, get back into this pattern. I mean, it wouldn't be this pattern. This pattern's been played out. I mean, it could still play down, but for the most part, it's played out. So let's see if we can get this higher low here, and then another higher high, and then get over 82. That can be, you know, our path up, but I am so skeptical about it at the moment. I'm so bearish right now. It's big ouchies. Big ouchies ahead. Did you hear about BlackRock? Or not BlackRock, Larry Fink. Larry Fink of BlackRock. Larry Fink of BlackRock said in a statement that he could see another 20% dip happening in the markets. So hopefully not, but yeah, gotta be a little more bearish. With everything that's going on, you gotta be a little bearish. Conspiratorially thinking, would they say that just to keep the retail people from buying while they're gobbling everything up at low prices? Maybe. They got a lot more money than us, though, so they can always drive it lower and survive for longer than we can. Ah, man. We'll be watching you, Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, though. Much love. See you later.